Will she regret losing a good man? You're probably sitting there asking yourself, is she hurting? Is she happy? Is she already dating, going out with friends? Maybe even partying like nothing happened. Did she ever really care? Did she even love me? Were her words ever genuine? And the biggest question is she going to text me and ask for another chance? Here's the truth, man. When a woman walks away from a solid guy, a man who gave his best regret eventually catches up to her. If you're being real with yourself and you know deep down that you treated her right, gave her a healthy relationship, and showed up as a good man, then yes, she will regret losing you. But here's the kicker. Her regret doesn't help you unless you take the right steps now. I've got 3 powerful points that'll not only help you move forward, but also make her realize what she lost. I get it. Losing a woman, especially when you gave it your all, is one of the hardest things you'll ever go through. I hear this every single week from clients. But let me say this up front. If you know you were a good man, if you communicated, tried to meet her halfway and still got left behind, then constantly replaying questions like, did she care? Did she love me? Did her words mean anything is only chaining you to the past. You're giving her free real estate in your mind, and the worst part, it's holding you back from becoming the stronger version of yourself. Point 1, stop obsessing over what she's thinking. If you're stuck on whether she regrets losing you right now, you'll never move forward. Wondering if she's in pain, if she's happy, if she'll text you back, none of that helps. Here's the reality. She has to go through her own stages of regret. And whatever unresolved issues she had with you, trust me, they're going to show up in her next relationship. So instead of looping over what's in her head, shift your focus to what's in yours. Point 2, don't play detective. When she left, maybe she thought the grass was greener elsewhere. Maybe she imagined that dating again, hitting the bars, or hanging with new people would be better. But sooner or later, she'll realize grass only grows where you water it. But here's where most guys mess up. They waste hours stalking her Instagram stories, checking who she followed on TikTok, seeing if she went to dinner with someone new. That's not progress. That's obsession. Don't be that guy. That time you're pouring into watching her life, that's time you could have spent hitting the gym, building your career, reconnecting with friends, or simply finding joy again. Point 3, embrace both wins and losses. Now here's the hard pill to swallow. Even if you were a good man, you weren't a perfect man. Nobody is. And that's okay. Ask yourself, were there moments when you compromised your values just to keep her around? Did you ignore your own needs hoping she'd stay? That's where growth starts. Your job now isn't to prove to her that you're a better man. Your job is to actually become that man for yourself. Become the man she never thought you could be. And more importantly, become the man you never thought you could be. Because here's the truth, even if she jumped into a new relationship, even if her social media looks picture perfect, her same triggers and issues will show up again. And while she's repeating old patterns, you'll be leveling up into someone stronger, wiser, and more grounded. So let's bring this full circle. Stop giving her free space in your head. Stop stalking her life online, and start working on the version of you that demands respect, sets boundaries, and knows his worth. That's the path that makes her regret losing you. But more importantly, it's the path that makes you proud of yourself again.